had me at hello. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog of Sydney's third birthday party. It was Frozen themed. We did a very low-key birthday this year and just did family, food, and had some fun. I am making currently the buffalo chicken dip, so that is what I did in the morning. I woke up before Sydney around like 7:30. And then I got myself half ready for the day, and then I started on prepping the food. So I shredded some rotisserie chicken for this. You guys, this buffalo dip is so easy and it's so delicious. And then I just covered this in the fridge and left it in a bowl, so you can totally meal prep ahead of time a lot of these things. And then this dip takes like an hour, maybe an hour and a half on low in the crock pot. So I just put in 1.5 blocks precisely, not really, 1.5 blocks of cream cheese, about half a cup to 1 cup of ranch, just eyeball it. I'm not a huge ranch person, so I only used a little bit, and then buffalo sauce and shredded cheddar. I only had like a shredded Mexican blend on hand, and it came out just fine. And then the next thing that I made were some Mediterranean crescent rolls. This is not my original recipe. I did get it on Pinterest, so I will find it and link it down in the description box below for you guys to follow. As always, I kind of just do my own thing with these recipes, and I don't measure, or I just eyeball, or I switch things up a little bit, but these were such a hit. I had made them about a year ago, and I remembered that I pinned them, and they were perfect for like we finish each other's sandwiches. I thought it would be nice to have some finger food appetizers at this birthday. So that is what I did. I prepped the filling while Sydney was still sleeping, and then I kept that in the fridge, and it was completely fine. I prepped it like 2 hours before I actually started cooking it, and that is just a huge time saver. And I will just put this on high speed to some music, and again, I will link the recipe down in the description box below. You guys, it is so delicious.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away. Someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Good morning.
Lion.
Oh, you were being a lion? Good morning. Guess what today is? We're going to have your birthday party today.
Well, that's what I wanted.
Yesterday was your birthday, but today we're going to celebrate with our family. Are you excited? You want to go blow up your Elsa balloon?
What was that?
The noise was just the house settling because it's so cold out.
But we're not Elsa Booyah.
We gotta go blow up your Elsa balloon.
But we have a booyah. We have a pink balloon.
Yeah, we're gonna have so many more balloons today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So Sydney's party was technically a Frozen themed birthday party, but I did not go all out. It was just a very loose Frozen theme. None of our friends could make it, so it was just a family party, and I was like, you know what? We lost power the night before, so I was stressed out and didn't have a whole lot of time, and there were hardly any children going to be there at all, so no one even knows what Frozen is. So I blew up a giant gliding Elsa balloon, which was so cute. Sydney absolutely loved it. I mean, it's a little creepy, but Sydney loved it, and it was actually fairly difficult to figure out how everything went. And I think we lost a magnet along the way, but it was Sydney's favorite part. Put up to the sky for right now, but then I'll fix it. Oh. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
No.
That's fine.
No, we are teaching.
Elsa's just... Because I don't read directions.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain and spoiled champagne. I've got
All right, so we sort of have Elsa working. We're missing a magnet. I have no idea where it went, but she's up. Is she up?
Yes.
I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say bye?
So I decided to make a charcuterie board for this birthday party. It's just so easy to have a bunch of like grab and go snacks, especially because I was baking in the oven my crescent rolls while people had just arrived. So wanted people to be able to snack instantly. So I did cucumbers, red peppers, cheddar cheese, some like herb garlic cheese, crackers, and then I also had hummus and ranch on the plate. I also had some naan bread, and then I had fruit, raspberries, strawberries, and grapes. And I also did a chocolate fountain, which was a huge hit. People loved dipping the strawberries, raspberries, and then some pretzel sticks in there as well. You can totally label the pretzel sticks as Olaf arms, but I just threw them in a frozen bowl and called it good.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need to?
More?
'Cause I need you.
Yeah, the balloon mishap.
So call me anytime that you need it. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're
Whoa, turn it around.
Feeding and grooming your pet.
Oh, you can pretend you have a puppy and a kitty.
So cute. Nice.
Mama, open it.
You want to open it?
Oh, yeah, you showed me that.
Have you been drinking mine? Yeah, I have. She did it yesterday. Trying to get coffee. Just drinking my drink.
Whoa! Oh, that's cool. It's a lace and trace.
Oh, that's
You can lace all around the edges of the
Like
animals.
so.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sydney. Happy birthday to you. Now blow 'em out. birthday, Sydney.
I'm gonna cut in front.
Yeah, it's yours. We gotta cut it up though, okay?
Stick your hand in there.
She's so excited. You had one yesterday too. You did.
Says, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor.
Here I come.
And you'll never find yourself in love. No wise enough.
You guys in here?
I got troubles, I
Nope.
got sins. I'm my worst enemy, but I still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come? Come and run away with me. Hey, won't you come? Won't you come? And say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart.
Okay, everyone is gone. It is almost 4 o'clock and I am beat. I feel like it's bedtime already. Sydney's beat too. Did you have a wonderful birthday party? Did you have a good birthday party? Oh, you're so tired.
Mama, where's the raspberries?
You want more raspberries? Oh no, I think we only have a couple left. Did you have a good birthday party?
Mom, can I have raspberries? Can I you? I want grapes.
You want grapes?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you some grapes.
And I want strawberries.
And strawberries too?
And I want a cookie.
No, no cookies.
Crackers.
Crackers. Anyway, you guys, so this birthday party really was not a huge like Frozen themed birthday. We just had a few things of Frozen themed things happening, but there ended up being like no kids here because our friends couldn't make it. And yeah, we had just Jameson is my cousin's son. He is 4.5. So I was like, oh, you know, do I really need to bend over backwards and do all these Frozen themed things when no one's gonna understand it? So I just decided to just take a relaxed approach to this birthday, and I didn't have to make a cake. I found this one at Hannaford that was pretty good. Like the color was fine. So anyway, it worked out. We had an awesome time. Good food, those crescent rolls.
We don't have bunnies. We don't have bunnies. They were out pop them.
Yeah, the confetti balloon popped.
Hey, out the pop them. They pop out the balloons away.
You didn't mean to. Hey, can I have the remote, please? I gotta turn it down. It's too loud for me. It's way too loud. Can you give me the remote, please?
Don't worry, I'm doing it, okay?
Anyway, the crescent roll was amazing. I will link that recipe down below. I did find it on Pinterest and I've made it a couple of times and it is so good. Also, my brother... Oh, thank you so much, baby.
I was turning it up.
Okay, thank you.
I was turning it up so that it wasn't water.
Oh, look at that timing. Happy just fell. Oh, perfect timing.
No,
What do you want to watch?
Mommy babies.
So my brother actually took down the TV that was mounted in the back that wasn't working. So he took it down and ended up taking it with him. The like wall hanging bracket is still on my wall, but I'm okay with leaving it there because maybe eventually I'll get something for my TV to be able to hang on that. We will see. So anyway, I'm so happy that is gone. Sydney had, like I said, an awesome little birthday party. I didn't even film an intro because it was just, I woke up and I was like, oh my word, I have so much to do. But anyway, it worked out fine. My family's, you know, we don't care about much, just food and
have
talking.
grapes? How about this?
Yes, I'm gonna get you some grapes. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed Sydney's little birthday vlog. And this is where we are at now. I have some leftover, just a tiny bit of leftover buffalo dip. That was really delicious. I will link or leave my recipe down below. It's super, super easy. And I have these leftover. I will probably heat those up and have those as my dinner. This tray worked out amazing. I love doing boards like that. That worked out amazing. We have a little bit of cake left over. Look at the cake. How perfect is that for a Frozen party? I really never buy cakes. I usually make cupcakes or something like that, but it worked out very well. The chocolate fountain worked out so well. People seem to really love it. And obviously I think I'm gonna plug it back in so that it all melts and I am able to clean it out that way. What else? Not too bad of a mess here. My aunt did my dishes for me. Yeah. Sadie wants grapes. I also made, I don't think I had showed you, but I had made a, I called it a frozen punch, but it was just Malibu and pineapple with some blue carousel to make it look like kind of turquoisey blue. And then I did lemonades and then I had a bunch of other drinks.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like
rip it open.
Needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Good job. Good job.
Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
How do you spell Sydney?
I just wanna love you.
Yeah.
You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you.